Is Windows acting up, crashes, glitches, or slow performance? Before you reinstall everything, you need to know these 3 essential repair commands. First, always search for CMD and make sure to run as administrator. Let's dive in. Step 1. Type SFC. This is the System File Checker. It scans every protected Windows system file on your PC. If it finds a file that is corrupted or missing, it automatically replaces it with a healthy version from a compressed folder in your system. It's the best first step for fixing general bugs. Step 2. CHKDSK per F. While SFC fixes your software, CHKDSK fixes your hardware's logic. It looks for errors on your hard drive's file system. Since Windows is currently using the drive, it will ask you to type Y and restart. On your next boot, Windows will scan and fix your drive's foundation before it starts up. Step 3. If SFC didn't work, you need the heavy lifter. Type this DISM command. DISM stands for Deployment, Image, Servicing, and Management. This online version connects to Windows Update to download fresh, healthy files to repair your local system image. It's basically fixing the repair shop itself. But what if your internet is down or Windows Update is broken? That's where this pro tip comes in. By mounting a Windows ISO here, mine is on drive F, you can run DISM using a local source. Type DISM, Online Cleanup Image, RestoreHealth Source, F, Sources, Install Wim, Limit Access. This tells Windows, don't go to the internet. Use the perfect files inside this ISO to fix my PC. The Limit Access flag ensures it stays local. It is the ultimate way to force a repair when nothing else works. Run these in order, and your Windows installation will be as good as new. Don't forget to restart when you're done. Like and follow for more IT tips.